Acorn squash, nature's little pumpkin with a big flavor. Welcome to Alphabet Eats. Today we're exploring the delightful acorn squash, a versatile vegetable with a sweet and savory flavor that's as rich as its history. From Central America to your kitchen humble origins. First cultivated in Central America, acorn squash has journeyed across continents to become a global favorite. A family affair. Part of the cucurbita family, it shares its lineage with zucchini, pumpkins, and butternut squash. Distinctive look, its acorn-like shape, with a rounded base and a prominent cap, gives the squash its memorable name. A nutritional powerhouse, vitamins galore. Just half a cup delivers 9% of your daily vitamin A, crucial for healthy vision and skin. Mineral rich. It's a good source of potassium, vital for muscle function and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Fiber boost. Acorn squash is packed with fiber, promoting healthy digestion and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Antioxidant superstar free radical fighters. Acorn squash is rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. Disease prevention. These antioxidants play a key role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, arthritis, and some cancers. Healthy aging. By protecting your cells, antioxidants contribute to healthy aging and overall well-being. Immunity booster. The vitamins and antioxidants in acorn squash support a strong immune system, helping you stay healthy year-round. Skin-saving carotenoids. Sun protection. Beta-carotene, a carotenoid found in acorn squash, acts like an internal sunscreen, protecting your skin from sun damage. Collagen production. Vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant, is essential for collagen production, keeping your skin firm and elastic. Glowing complexion. Together, these nutrients contribute to a healthy, radiant complexion from the inside out. Culinary chameleon roasted. Halved and roasted with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of herbs, it's a simple yet satisfying side dish. Stuff it. Its hollow makes it perfect for stuffing with savory fillings like quinoa, sausage, or wild rice. Puree it. Blend roasted squash into soups, sauces, or even a healthy twist on mac and cheese. Sweet and savory sensations. Touch of sweetness. Acorn squash has a naturally sweet flavor that intensifies upon cooking, reminiscent of sweet potatoes or butternut squash. Savory versatility. It pairs well with savory ingredients like sage, rosemary, garlic, parmesan, and even bacon or chorizo. Delightful texture. When roasted, it develops a tender, creamy texture that's irresistible, whether enjoyed as a side dish or incorporated into other recipes. Join the Acorn Squash Adventure. Hit that subscribe button and join the Alphabet Eats community for more exciting vegetable explorations. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to add more acorn squash to your plate. Get notified, don't miss out on new episodes. Click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your acorn squash creations and culinary adventures in the comments below. Stay green. Until next time on Alphabet Eats, remember to embrace the world of vegetables from A to Z.